Apply a 3/16 of an inch bead of adhesive to the back side of the HardStop panel in the pattern shown with a pneumatic or electric caulk gun. Next, apply a bead of adhesive 1 inch from the edge of any cutouts on the drywall. Immediately apply the HardStop panel to the wall. Keep in mind that panel seams must be offset from the substrate joints. Install the panel by positioning it into the trim. Remember to leave 1/8 of an inch gaps. Confirm the panel and trim are plumb and adjust if needed. Keep the panel aligned in position until the adhesive dries. To support the panel, install temporary panel support in a location that will be covered by the cove base. Secure using low-profile washer head screws through the oversized holes. Use an extendable hand roller with 3 roller heads and a medium, even pressure across the entire panel. Roll from the center out. Clean excess adhesive with acetone. Then install the next trim piece. Install all panels and trim pieces as you move in one direction. Place painter's tape on all exterior corner trim edge joints to hold them in place while drying. For more information, visit formicadocs.info or call 1-800-FORMICA.